This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how you can change the graphics card in a laptop. The vast majority of laptops have their graphics processing unit soldered directly onto the main board, which unfortunately means you cannot swap it out like a desktop computer. The only practical solution for upgrading your laptop's graphics performance involves using an external graphics card enclosure, which connects to a specific high-speed port on your device. An eGPU enclosure essentially acts as a bridge, allowing your laptop to tap into the raw power of a full-sized graphics card. Imagine a dedicated box that you place your desktop GPU into. This box then communicates with your laptop. It usually connects through a high-speed cable, transforming your portable device into a powerful gaming or content creation machine, ready for demanding tasks. Before investing in an eGPU setup, verifying your laptop's compatibility is crucial. The primary requirement is a Thunderbolt 3 or Thunderbolt 4 port, identifiable by a small lightning bolt symbol next to the USB-C connector. These ports offer 40 gigabits per second of bandwidth, which is essential for external graphics performance. Without this specific port, your laptop cannot effectively utilize an eGPU. Selecting the right enclosure and graphics card involves a bit of research tailored to your specific needs. Enclosures vary in size, cooling capabilities, and the amount of power they can deliver, often ranging up to 750 watts. You will also need to choose a desktop graphics card that not only fits physically, but also aligns with your performance expectations for tasks like gaming or video editing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.